Well, thunderstorm warnings being tracked by our meteorologist John Aarons. He is using the city's only local radar to track all this. Where do we stand now, John, with those?
Erica, let's put you at ease. This threat is diminishing quickly. This is a now live look at our Charlotte camera all over uptown. This guy moved, and it moved fast. It's now focusing most of its concentration on the eastern sides of Charlotte. So we're going to go on live early warning .9. It's still packing some major rains on the east side. As you go up and through Mint Hill and then travel up and through the Willgrove areas, showing you some of the roads here like Lawyers Road and the Plaza Extension, getting up into some of the Newell community and Milton Road. Big time rains right now. Lightning is backed off, but in East Charlotte coming out about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. The wind has also died down as well. Now, as you travel a little farther up here and you get up into Cabarrus and the Flow Store community and then traveling up through Mount P and then getting up into Stanley County, this is where it's a little bit stronger, and there's still quite a bit of a lightning concentration up near High Rock Lake that we're watching as well. As I track this guy, this is going to be moving more toward the Albemarle area, at least to a lesser extent, and then on toward Troy within the next hour. So the next areas in line here, if you live up near Troy or Mount Gilead, expect this at about 547. The storm weakening a lot, but still has a lot of muscle to it and is still packing some threats. So our team coverage continues with meteorologist Jacqueline Shear on what to expect from this guy.
Yeah, you know what, as this front's been moving through, this cold front that's causing all of this stormy weather, those sustained winds when you're not even seeing a thunderstorm have been upwards of 20 miles an hour. So within that thunderstorm, we've been dealing with very damaging winds. We have many reports of trees down, other damage throughout the area because of that winds gusting up to 60 miles an hour. Now, hail is a factor in this. We haven't seen any damage reports from that, but we have seen some cells that were at least capable of producing that hail. Tornadic activity, fortunately, was not a factor of any of these storms so far. As they continue moving eastward, we'll continue to watch that, but that's really a very low threat. A lot to deal with today, but fortunately, John, we're getting a nice long break after this.
That's right, Jack. Dry air taking over for your Friday. Wind out of the northwest, and it's going to feel very comfortable and storm-free for sure for Friday afternoon. One thing with the wind out of the west to northwest, what that will do is it will allow for the heat to really pick up. So it's going to be a hot day in NODA tomorrow, but the humidity down. I still think it's going to feel very comfortable, especially considering that it's summer, and tomorrow actually is the first day of summer. So that's good news. We'll be at 84 by noon, 90 by 5 o'clock. In Fort Mill, it's going to be a hot day for sure, but sunny and pretty comfortable for this time of year, getting up into the lower 90s. Now, as we look ahead into the weekend, the humidity does pick up on Saturday, but we'll still keep it storm-free, temperature right around 90. Sunday will be an interesting day to watch. I think up in the high country, if you've got plans for the weekend, this is where you are going to find some problems. It's going to be pretty wet along the Blue Ridge, both Saturday and especially on your Sunday. And then we'll see some of those storm chances slowly creep into Charlotte as we head into next week. Also some heat and humidity picking up in the mid-90s. For right now, that complex of storms is going to focus its concentration out to the east. So Montgomery County, our friends there, and up around Stanley, we'll be watching.
Another round behind this, or will this be
We're done. So
all right.
Watches are actually canceling as we speak. We will probably see that thunderstorm watch in Charlotte end in the next 10 minutes.
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank you,
John.
John.